To pay with a Revolut virtual card. First, ensure you have the Revolut app installed on your mobile device and that you have an active account with sufficient funds. Open the app and navigate to the Cards section where you can find your virtual card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. When you are ready to make a payment, go to the website or platform where you want to make the purchase and select the payment method as credit or debit card. Enter the virtual card details exactly as they appear in the Revolut app, making sure to include the card number, expiration date, and security code. If the merchant requires you to enter your name and address, use the same name and address that is registered with your Revolut account to avoid any issues with the payment processing. Once you have entered all the required details, review them carefully to ensure everything is correct and then confirm the payment. It is also possible to add your Revolut virtual card to digital wallets such as Google Pay or Apple Pay, allowing you to make contactless payments with your mobile device. To do this, open the digital wallet app on your device and follow the prompts to add a new card. Selecting Revolut as the card issuer and entering the virtual card details as required. When using your Revolut virtual card to make payments, it is essential to keep your account and card details secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. Make sure to set up a strong password and enable two-factor authentication on your Revolut account. And be cautious when entering your card details on websites or platforms to avoid phishing scams. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions to secure your account, you can use your Revolut virtual card to make safe and convenient payments online and in store.